Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we are showcasing this 1979 Jeep CJ-7. This one's got an AMC 360 V8 with an automatic transmission. We got this Jeep here locally. Nice little Jeep. It's an older restoration, but in really good shape. It's got recent brake lines, master cylinder. It's got front disc brakes, a new sending unit, new fuel lines. We just put a new power steering pump on it. The old one was leaking. And we got a new front stabilizer underneath there. Polished out the wheels, just tuned it up a little bit. Runs great, everything's working. Do a quick walk around here. Nice tires, nice wheels, the winch works. Got some rigid lights up front, replacement bumper. Hard top. We do have a bimini top on this as well. We will take the top off later today and get some pictures. But we also put back glass in it. When we got this top, it didn't have back glass, so we put the back glass in it. Looks real nice now. Real nice chassis. The interior has the Dynamat laid down underneath some vinyl floors. Got some rigid lights back here as well. Underneath looks real good. Really nice and clean. Doesn't look like this was ever abused. Paint job's nice and shiny. Does have side pipe mufflers, so it's not crazy loud. Just nice little low rumble. It does not leak. There's no oil leaks, no transmission leaks. You can see the chassis looks really good. Drives great. Really nice driver. Nice sound system. It's got a subwoofer in it, 5 speakers. Bluetooth head unit, of course, so it sounds really nice. Take a quick pop inside. We'll start it too. Interior, nice seats. Front and back, you got those big speakers up there. Back seat looks good. Seat belts, door panels look great. The key has been moved from here. This looks like this is probably a steering column out of a Chevy. So this is actually where you started over here. All the lights work, turn signal flashers work. These are your front fogs, rear fogs. Windshield wipers are working. All these gauges do work, and they do light up when you turn the lights on. They do backlight. Inside top looks great. That's all been refinished. So we'll give it a quick start here. You can hear the fuel pump turn on, electric fuel pump. Cranks right up. Not too loud, I'll give it a little. Nice, this is your 4-wheel drive lever right here. It does work, we've tested that. 4 low works, 4 high works. Nice little Jeep. I would not think twice about jumping in it and driving anywhere. It does have a aluminum radiator and 2 electric fans that automatically kick on at 180. So I haven't had any cooling issues at all. Fun cruiser for the beach, neighborhood, weekend, Sunday driver, something here. Reach out to us. We will get back to you quickly. Call, text, email. Subscribe to our channel, please. Check us out on YouTube and on Instagram. Got a lot of projects in the works over here. But nice little Jeep for the money. Really like it. Runs great. It's got a 360 V8. That's rare. And hope to hear from you soon on this one.